Fabulous mission to bike along, not bad, thanks. So I got the Engel fridge here, mate, and the cheeky bugger has stopped working. Now I've got a mate over in Brizzy, and he told me check the fan, the little fan in the back of it, to see if it's spinning. And it wasn't. Here we go, mate. I got the Engel, I got the back pulled off it, and I got the little fan. Now basically, viewers, the bloody wire's just broken, mate. Well, you can't see that. The wire, the positive wire's just broken off there. It's a bit air going. I reckon if I solder that back on there, I can get that going, mate. Out in the middle of the never, eh? Bloody little roadside stop here, mate. And I've got the whole bloody toolbox out everywhere. We've got a bit on, mate. We have got a bit on. I'll let you know how we go. Mate, how good is this? Got the Milwaukee soldering iron out and just letting it warm up. But that one just there is the positive. So I just got to heat that bit of solder up, glue that bit of stuff on there, just bad the wire a bit. Sticking back on, I reckon that's going to work, mate. Just cleaned up the wire brush a bit, and I've got a bit of contact cleaner there. I got from Super Cheap the other day when we were in town. So, and I reckon we'll put this back together, and I reckon it's going to work, mate. Have a go with that, hey? Not bad, thanks. Well, viewers, after all that, it didn't work. One of the diodes or something must be buggered, didn't it? Maybe I shorted it around the right way or wrong way or something when I hooked the power up. Anyway, it's broken, so I'll have to get another fan. I get the multimeter out and everything just to test powers and stuff. I don't know what I'm looking at, but I got it out. Yeah, the cheeky bucket. There is a little baby itsy bitsy circlip in there, viewers, if you ever go and do one. And it is a mongrel to get out. Copy. Luckily, I have some O-ring picks. Two, the only O-ring picks that I have. I threw them in the toolbox. I thought, yeah, I might need them. Geez, I'm glad I did. Yes, I'll see if I can't hunt around and find a fan in Carnarvon and we can get this fridge going again. Cheeky bugger. Spoke to a mate on the phone last night. He said, mate, you got to try the upside down angle trick. I said, mate, I've already done the upside down angle trick. And so those viewers who don't know the upside down angle trick, well, if you have trouble with your Engel fridge, turn it upside down. Like, turn it off, turn it upside down, leave it for 2 weeks. Flip it right way back up, leave it for a week or 2 weeks, plug it back in, should work. Copy? I left it upside down for 2 days because I don't really have 4 weeks where you travel in Australia. It's a bit hard to do it, but I'm going to try it in the back of the car for a couple of days. So I left 2 days upside down, 2 days right way up, plugged it back in, still didn't work. Now, even though the fan's not working, it should still come, if you put it on freeze, it should still come down to fridge temperature with the fan not working. And it didn't do that. So I'm going to try it upside down again and see if we can't get it to go. Yeah, other than that, he said the gas has leaked out of it. But I'm hoping the gas hasn't leaked out of it. I'm going to go upside down again. Copy? Copy. All right, mate, we've got the upside down Engel. We'll give her a couple of days and we'll see how it goes, eh? I'll get a new fan when we get to get into town, stick it in, we'll see if it works. I'll let you know. Copy? Copy. Right, mate, so we just went to JK in Carnarvon, got ourselves a new fan, placed the old one, took this in there and like, oh, one of them, you cheeky buggers. I've got to solder the new end on it though, so I've got to cut that plug off so I can use it. Yeah, Carnarvon has a JK, which is pretty cool, and they got a lot of crap in there too. There's an art gallery in there, which is pretty cool. Kept wifey occupied while I was looking for the fan. Extremely helpful, the lads, so I'll let you know if it works. The fridge is still upside down, tied in. Hopefully, touch wood. I mean, knock on, I don't know. Galby? Galby. Galby, Galby. Alright viewers, quick update on the Engel. It has been a week since it has been upright and hasn't been turned on yet. Pulled up at this epic little free camp side of the road here near the river. I've got the generator going for battery purposes, but that's another whole other video episode that you guys are going to get involved in. Someone said, and plug it into 240 volt before you plug it into 12 volt, and the 240 will make the compressor kick in harder. So while the generator is going, I'm going to do that. I'm going to plug her into the 240 and yeah, see if we can't get it to fire up and get cold. Because we are heading to Karratha and we are very, very extremely low on food, and I'm going to need that fridge because from Karratha we are heading east into Tom Price, Carragini, the Kimberley, the Pilbara. We're going east, baby, eh? Trying to get some more red dirtiness. Here we go, viewers. I've just got the fridge out, little camp table. Got the 240 volt, look, there is it, 240 volt plug. Let's, moment of truth here, look. Plug him in. We're on off. We'll switch him on to freeze. I can hear it turn on. I can hear the compressor kick in. We'll update you in a couple of hours, mate, see if it gets cold. I'm excited. It's gonna work, isn't it, lovey?
I hope so.
Wife is just doing a load of wash, so the generator's kicked into gear and it's running full snot.
So,
yeah, finally washed your shirt that I've been wearing for 6 weeks.
I've washed it in between maybe 3 times.
Yeah, copy. Righto, we're going to get a fire going and get a damper on the go. Copy? Righto, viewers, it's not looking good, mate. It was on 240 volt all night and it's still at 12 degrees. That's probably backwards for you guys, but it's 12.6 degrees and getting hotter. It's been on the freeze setting. It's not looking good. I don't know. Hey, you cheeky buggers, it's been a week and a half since we plugged the fridge into the 240 volt and it didn't work. So it's been rattling around the back of the car here for another week and a half. I'm going to plug it back into the 12 volt and see if we can't get this thing to psych up and actually run. I've got faith, viewers. Have faith with me, eh? Copy? Copy. What do you, mate? Plugged in. On. Currently sitting at 23 degrees, mate. It's a bit chilly today, actually, viewers. I can hear something going on in the background there, so yeah, I'll keep you updated. Copy? Copy. Righto, viewers, so another Engel update. It has been upside down for another week. 2 weeks and 3 days. So upside down for 2 weeks and 3 days. I'm going to flip it right way up again. I'm going to leave it for another 2 days and then I'll plug back in. I'm getting sick of turning this fridge upside down. I'm pretty sure it's broken, like brecken. But, you know, I've got nothing to lose, so you know what. Hello viewers, so upon a few phone calls and a bit of research, I am 90% sure that the compressor is stuffed in the fridge. So yeah, the upside down trick is not going to work on this particular fridge. Bugger. Throw it out and get a new one. Hey, Colby? Bro. Pull the back cover off and just give the compressor a whack with a hammer, he says. Well, I got nothing else to lose. I've done everything else. Let's try that, eh? So I pulls the back cover off. I don't have a mallet. Sorry, sir. I got a half-half extension and I put it on there and I went big wacky packy. It went and it started working again, viewers. It is literally 35 degrees out here today, mate. It is hot as balls. Look. 2.5 months I've been carting this stupid thing around, turning it upside down, and all I had to do was whack the fucking thing with a hammer. Are you serious, mate? Whack your bloody compressor with a hammer, mate. You'll be right into it. You're a fucking legend, bro. Yes! And that there, viewers, is why you buy a good quality Engel. All it takes is a good thump with a hammer and you can get the bastards going again, even after 2.5 months.